How to change the language on an LG phone.
The home screen.
Changing the language on your LG phone is easy. Here's how.
The gear icon.
To locate the language settings on the phone, go to Settings, then tap on System. Tap on Language and Keyboard at the top. Tap on Language at the top. Tap on Add Language, and tap on the desired language from the list.
A red circle graphic around Espanol.
If applicable, pick the variant of the chosen language. To change the order of the languages, press and hold on the 3-line button to the right of a language, and then drag it to the desired priority. To delete a language, tap on the trash can at the top right. Tap on the language to be deleted, which will place a check mark next to it. Then tap Remove at the bottom. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
lg.com/us/support. Icons for Twitter, Facebook, text, email, phone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.